Problems on reduction potential. How to calculate the reduction potential by using Nernst equations. So these are the different forms of Nernst equation. First one is reduction potential is equals to E naught. E naught means standard reduction potential minus 2.303 RT divided by NF log of concentration of M means it is in the reduction form divided by concentration of oxidized form Mn plus. This is the one form. Here E naught representing standard reduction potential of electrode. N is number of electrons involved in the oxidation and reduction. R is gas constant 8.314 joules per moles per Kelvin. Faraday is 96,487 coulomb, or it is nearly equals to 96,500 coulomb. T is temperature, that is in Kelvin. And we have M pure form, that is for solid. If it is in solid state, the concentration of M is considered as 1. Then the form is E is equals to E naught minus 2.303 RT divided by NF log of 1 by Mn plus, because here the concentration of pure solid M is taken as unity 1 at 298 Kelvin. So if I substitute all these values, R value, T value and Faraday value, all these things if I substitute, the equation is like this: E is equals to E naught minus 2.303, R value is 8.314, T value is 298 Kelvin because it is mentioned at 298 Kelvin, and Farad is 96,487 coulomb. N value will keep it because it changes based upon the reaction, log 1 by Mn plus. So finally we can write like this: if you simplify all these terms, you will be getting the value. This is the value you are getting. Finally E is equals to, that is electrode potential or reduction potential, is equals to E naught minus 0.0591 divided by N log of 1 by Mn plus. So this is the Nernst equation at 298 Kelvin. Any form can be used for the calculation purpose. Let's consider one problem on reduction potential. Calculate the reduction potential of zinc, which is kept in 0.001 molar zinc sulfate solution at 298 Kelvin. SRP value of zinc is given. E naught value is minus 0.76 volt. Let us consider the solution. We know that E naught of Zn2 plus 2Zn is given. It is minus 0.76 volt. Concentration of Zn2 plus ion in the solution also it is given. It is equals to 0.001 molar. That is equals to 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 molar we can write. So what is the reduction reaction? The reduction reaction is like this. This is the reduction reaction. Zn2 plus, it is undergoing reduction by taking 2 electrons into Zn. Here what is the number of electrons involved? Number of electron involved here is 2. That's 4. Value of n is equals to 2. So because we need n value to solve the problem, so n value is 2 here. Electrode potential can be calculated by using this formula. E is equals to E naught minus 0.0591 divided by N log of 1 by Mn plus. Here the value is 0.0591 divided by N is taken because it is at 298 Kelvin. We have the value E naught value minus 0.76, and we have the concentration of Zn2 plus 0.001 molar, that is equals to 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 molar, and N value is also given. That's why substitute all these values in the equation because we want E naught value. E naught value is given here and N value is already present, that is equals to 2, and concentration of this Mn plus, it is given 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 molar. So all these values are substituted in this equation. So if I substitute all the values in this equation, it will become E is equals to E naught minus 0.0591 divided by 2 log of 1 by Zn2 plus, and here Zn2 plus concentration is given, that we have to substitute here. It will become E is equals to minus 0.76 because E naught value is, this E naught value is given here minus 0.76 volt minus 0.0591 divided by 2 log of 1 by 10 to the power minus 3. Further simplification, minus 0.76 minus 0.0591 divided by 2 log of 10 to the power 3. So if you simplify log of 1 by 10 to the power minus 3, the value is log of 10 to the power 3. So this value you have to simplify it. So this will become log 10 to the power 3. This log, how to take the log, everything we have explained it in the class, right? Next, if I further simplification, minus 0.76 minus 0.0591 divided by 2 into 3, it will be minus 0.76 minus 0.0885, that is equals to minus 0.8485 volt. This is the electrode potential. Problems on calculation of EMF of the cell or cell potential, it is also called as cell potential. Let me consider one problem on cell potential or EMF of the cell. Represent the cell in which the following reaction takes place. Mg plus 2Ag plus, its concentration is 0.0001 molar, gives Mg2 plus, its concentration is 0.130 molar plus 2Ag. Calculate E cell, that is cell potential, if E naught of cell is equals to 3.17 volt. Let me consider solution. Before going for the solution, let me write the cell representation. So what is the cell representation? And we know that while writing the cell representation, first we have to write oxidation, that is Mg undergoing oxidation into Mg2 plus, right? And concentration of Mg2 plus is given 0.13 molar, and it is taking place at anode. Always oxidation takes place at anode. Right side we have to write reduction reaction, Ag plus undergoing reduction into Ag, which is taking place at cathode. Concentration is given here, and we have to write this notation. This represent the salt bridge. This is the cell representation for the cell reaction. This is the cell reaction, right? For the above cell reaction, what is the value of N? N value is 2. So why the N value is 2? 2. Look at here the cell reaction. Mg undergoing oxidation into Mg2 plus means it is losing 2 electrons here. And come, when you take this one, that is Ag plus takes 1 electron becoming Ag. Losing of electron is 2, but gaining is only 1. From Ag plus to Ag, when you take it, only 1 electron is gained. So that's why to balance that one, we have to multiply by 2. So it will become 2Ag plus, and here it is 2Ag. So that 2Ag plus means 2 electrons here we have to take. So N value is 2 we are taking. Further simplification or further substitution of these values, Ag plus value is given, that is 1 into 10 to the power minus 4 molar. Mg2 plus value is given 0.130 molar. What is the formula to calculate the cell potential? E cell is equals to E naught of cell minus 0.0591 divided by N log of Mg2 plus divided by Ag plus to the power 2. So how to write this one, that is Mg2 plus and Ag plus to the power 2? Look at the cell reaction. Always remember, whichever written on the product side, that is ions Mg2 plus should be written here, and whichever that is written in the reactant side, that should be written here, and whatever the coefficients are there, that should be raised to the power. Look at here, Ag plus, here it is 2 Ag plus is there, so it is Ag plus to the power 2. Whatever the coefficients are there, that you have to raise here as a power. If it is 3, then you have to write 3. If nothing is there, just you write like this, Mg2 plus, right? Now substitute the value of N and Mg2 plus concentration, Ag plus concentration, and E naught of cell value. All the values you have to substitute. So if I substitute, the equation is becoming 3.17 minus 0.0591 divided by 2 log of Mg2 plus value is 0.13 and Ag plus value is 1.1 into 10 to the power minus 4, and we have to raise to the power 2, so it is 1 into 10 to the power minus 4 in whole square. You have to write it. This equation should be further simplified. Further simplification, 3.17 minus 0.0591 divided by 2 log of 0.13 into 10 to the power 8. All the values we have to substitute and simplify. It will become 3.17 minus 0.0591 divided by 2 log 13 into 10 to the power 6. Because if I take this particular thing here, 0.13 is there. This I am writing this as 13 into 10 to the power 2. So 10 to the power 8 is there. So it will become 13 into 10 to the power 6. So now we can use the logarithmic property. We can write 3.17 minus 0.0591 divided by 2 log of, use the log property, log 13 plus log 10 to the power 6, because log of uh, AB is equals to log A plus log B. So further simplification, 3.17 minus 0.0591 divided by 2 log, you have to simplify, log 13 value is 1.1139 and log 10 to the power 6 is 6. This how to see that one, all the things we have studied in your classes, right? 3.17 minus 0.0591 divided by 2 into 7.1139, right? That is equals to, simplify it, it will become 2.96 volt. This is the cell potential for the given cell reaction. Second problem, write the Nernst equation for the following cell and calculate EMF. Fe bar Fe2 plus, concentration of Fe2 plus is 0.001 molar, H plus it is 1 molar, bar H2 it is 1 bar pressure, bar P2. So this represent the standard hydrogen electrode. E naught of Fe2 plus 2 Fe is given minus 0.44 volt. Let me consider the solution part. Cell reaction for the given cell representation is Fe plus 2H plus 1 molar gives Fe2 plus, it is 0.001 molar plus H2. Here Fe undergoes oxidation into Fe2 plus, H plus undergoes reduction into H2. This is the cell reaction for this cell representation. For the above cell reaction, N is equals to 2. So how this N is equals to 2? Here if you see this cell reaction, Fe it loses 2 electrons, it gives Fe2 plus, and here H plus gains 1 electron, becomes H2. But we have taken 2H plus, so that's why it has to accept 2 electrons, it is becoming H2. So 2 electron lost and 2 electrons gained, so N value is 2. Fe2 plus concentration is given, so that is equals to 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 molar. And what is the concentration of H plus? Concentration of H plus is 1 molar, that is also given in the problem. We know that E cell is equals to E naught of cell minus 0.0591 divided by N log of concentration of Fe2 plus divided by concentration of H plus to the power 2. So how we can take this one? Look at the cell reaction. We have to write here Fe2 plus should be here, that is the product side ion concentration should be written here, and the reactant side ion concentration is written here, and the coefficients should be raised to the power. That's how we have written it. That is the formula to calculate E cell, cell potential. Before going for the substitution, we should find first E naught of cell. E naught of cell is equals to E naught of C minus E naught of Fe2 plus 2 Fe. We know that E naught of cell can be calculated by the formula E naught of cathode minus E naught of anode. Here C is taken as cathode because its SRP value is 0, and the SRP value of this E naught of Fe2 plus 2 Fe is given, and that is less than the E naught of C. That's why the more the value of standard reduction potential, that will be taken as cathode. So she is having more SRP value than E naught of Fe2 plus 2 Fe, right? So we know that E naught of she, it is 0. So we are substituting this value as 0, E naught of she as 0 here. Minus 0.44, minus of minus 0.44, that is equals to 0.44 volt. E cell is equals to E naught of cell minus 0.0591 divided by n log of Fe2 plus divided by H plus to the power 2. So this is the formula. Let me substitute the value of E naught of cell that we have calculated here, and n value is 2 log of concentration of Fe2 plus and the concentration of H plus also we should substitute. On substituting the values of concentration of Fe2 plus 1 into 10 power minus 3 and H plus concentration 1 molar, the equation become E cell is equals to 0.44 minus 0.0591 divided by 2 log of 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 1. Further simplification, E cell is equals to 0.44 minus 0.0591 divided by 2 log of 10 to the power minus 3. So what is the value of this log of 10 to the power minus 3? Log of 10 to the power minus 3 is minus 3. So this minus 3 and this minus is becoming plus. So next step will be 0.44 plus 0.0591 into 3 divided by 2. So the value will be 0.528 volt. This is the cell potential for the cell reaction. Equilibrium constant from Nernst equation gives free energy change. Equilibrium constant from Nernst equation for Daniell cell. Let me consider Daniell cell as an example. Then we'll take the equilibrium constant from Nernst equation for Daniell cell. Cell reaction for Daniell cell is Zn plus Cu2 plus gives Zn2 plus Cu. This is a cell reaction for Daniell cell. We know that E cell is equals to E naught of cell minus 2.303 RT divided by 2F, because here I will be taking n value as 2 because the electrons involved here is 2, that's why n value is taken as 2F log of Zn2 plus divided by Cu2 plus. So this is the cell reaction and this is in the product side. So product side should be written here and the reactant side ion should be written here. So log of Zn2 plus divided by Cu2 plus. This is the equation number 1. So at equilibrium the cell potential is 0. So at equilibrium the cell potential is 0, that means this value is becoming 0 at equilibrium. So Zn2 plus, the concentration of Zn2 plus divided by concentration of Cu2 plus, it is Kc, because the reaction is in equilibrium. So that's why the ratio of this one, that is Zn2 plus divided by Cu2 plus, is equilibrium constant Kc. So this should be substituted here. So Kc is called as equilibrium constant. So for this particular reaction, the equilibrium constant is Kc. From equation 1, E cell is equals to E naught of cell minus 2.303 RT divided by 2F log of Zn2 plus divided by Cu2 plus. This is the equation 1. From this equation 1, we can write E naught of cell is equals to 2.303 RT divided by 2F log Kc, because at equilibrium E cell is becoming 0 and the concentration of the ratio of concentration of Zn2 plus divided by Cu2 plus is taken as Kc. This is equation number 2. Further continuation, log Kc is equals to 2 into F into E naught of cell divided by 2.303 RT. We are interested in Kc value, that is equilibrium constant, so that log Kc is equals to 2 into F E naught of cell divided by 2.303 RT. This equation is rearranged to get this equation. This is equation number 3. So at 298 Kelvin, so we have to take the temperature as 298 Kelvin. Log Kc is equals to 2 into F. Instead of F, we are substituting all the values, that is 1 farad value we are substituting. It is equals to 2 into E naught of cell divided by 0.0591, because this we are substituting, that is F value as 96,500, R value as 8.314 and T value as 298 Kelvin. So this value is becoming 0.0591. So total value is this much. For any other cell, we can write log Kc is equals to n into E naught of cell. N into E naught of cell we can take it divided by 0.0591. Otherwise, in general, n into F into E naught of cell divided by 2.303 RT. So because for any cell we are taking it, so instead of this one 0.0591, we are writing the value F into E naught of cell divided by 2.303 RT. We are writing it. This is the equation for log Kc. For any cell, we can write this particular equation. So we have to substitute the value of n here, and F value we are knowing it, 96,500 coulomb. E naught of cell can be calculated, or it will be given in the problem. R value will be 8.314. T value you have to substitute if they have given in the problem. Otherwise, you have to take it as 298 Kelvin. At 298 Kelvin, so it will become log Kc is equals to n into E naught of cell divided by 0.0591. So at 298 Kelvin, this all the values, F value and R value, T value, everything we have to substitute. So it will become log Kc is equals to n into E naught of cell divided by 0.0591. So this is the equation for log Kc at 298 Kelvin. Cell EMF and Gibbs energy changes for the cell reaction. The Gibbs free energy change is equals to the amount of useful work done, that is electrical work is equals to amount of charge into cell potential. The amount of charge can be calculated as N into F into cell potential, that is E cell, that is equals to NF E cell. This is equation number 1. For maximum electrical work, the process should be reversible. The reversible work done, that is equals to minus delta G. This is equation number 2. Therefore, from 1 and 2, minus delta G is equals to NF E cell, or delta G is equals to minus NF E cell. Under standard condition, delta G naught is equals to minus NF E naught of cell. This is the equation to calculate the Gibbs free energy change, that is standard Gibbs free energy change. Delta G naught is equals to minus NF E naught of cell. But E naught of cell is equals to 2.303 RT divided by NF log Kc. So we have to substitute this equation, that is E naught of cell, in this particular equation. So it will become delta G naught is equals to minus NF into 2.303 RT by NF log Kc. Delta G naught is equals to minus 2.303 RT log Kc. So here in this case, this NF get cancelled. Remaining is delta G naught is equals to minus 2.303 RT. This NF get cancelled, so log Kc. This is the equation to calculate the standard Gibbs free energy change during the cell reaction. Delta G naught is equals to minus 2.303 RT log Kc.